Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness, and here select screen timeout. By default it is set to 30 seconds. Okay, what it means, after 30 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. Okay, if you would like to increase and stay longer time for screen, just use other option 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and up to maximum 10 minutes you can set screen timeout. Suppose if you want to decrease screen timeout, only one option is available, 15 seconds. Okay, so what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. See here, if it reaches 15 seconds, then phone screen will be dimmed and then timed out and it is turned off. Okay, phone screen is off now. And now if you would like to open phone, you go to enter your pattern to unlock your phone. So this is very minimum screen timeout. Okay, if you would like to change back to default screen timeout, you go to choose the second option. So in this way you can easily decide screen timeout for your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.